Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a delicious and easy snack recipe, crispy chicken wontons. These wontons are golden and crunchy on outside and juicy on inside and perfect for iftar. They are easy to make and can even be stored in a freezer for later. So let's get started. First, add 1 cup of flour to a bowl, then add salt to taste and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it using your hands. Then gradually add water as needed to form a soft dough. Once the kneading is done, pour a little oil on top, spread it evenly and cover the dough. Let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the stuffing. Add 200 grams of boneless chicken to a blender along with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, salt to taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar and some fresh coriander leaves. Blend everything into a smooth paste. Now the stuffing is ready. After 20 minutes, knead the dough again and roll it out. Cut the dough into circles. Place a small amount of stuffing in the center of each circle, fold it into a half moon shape and press the edges to seal. You can use little water or flour paste as a glue to seal it. Then fold it again to get a perfect wonton shape. You can store these wontons in a freezer up to a month. Now, it's time to fry them. Heat oil on medium flame and fry the wontons until they turn golden brown and crispy. Make sure that the chicken cooks completely. And that's it. Crispy on outside, juicy on inside, these delicious chicken wontons are perfect for iftar. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in next video.